Yo, what's good guys? David here. I'm back at it again with another video, okay? I know I haven't been as consistent as I was like, but here I am, okay? If you guys remember last video, I was telling you guys about these 11 ways to generate high quality leads online. And I already made a video on how to cold call, okay? How to set 3 to 5 appointments per day, cold calling. Today, I'm gonna cover the LinkedIn outreach. So this one right here, if you are doing any type of B2B lead gen, so your business is business to business, you're dealing with logistics, niches like that, anything that's a B2B niche, this video is for you, okay? LinkedIn is one of the most underrated platforms to use for B2B lead gen. And this strategy right here is very simple, very easy, barely costs anything to set up, and you can get around 5 to 25 appointments per month for your offer. So again, it doesn't matter which niche you're in. You could be marketing agency, anything like that. You can get 5 to 25 appointments per month for your offer using this LinkedIn strategy right here, okay? So for this, you're gonna need 2 pieces of software, okay? You're gonna need LinkedIn Sales Navigator, okay? And you're gonna need a LinkedIn automation tool, right? And the one that I will be showing you guys in this video is called Sales Flow. So there's a bunch of other tools like this. It doesn't have to be the exact tool that I'm using. I just like it because, you know, I like Sales Flow. It's very easy to use. So, you know, we'll see. You can use whichever one you want, right? There's a bunch of other ones. Zopto, you can look up, just literally search up on Google LinkedIn automation tool, okay? And just pick one. It doesn't have to be Salesforce. But I'm going to be using Salesforce right here. I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, LinkedIn Sales Navigator is going to cost you guys around $110 per month. And that's Canadian. Yeah, 110 Canadian dollars, sorry, per month. And then Sales Flow is going to cost you around 100 USD per month. So you're looking at, for this whole strategy, you're looking at around $250 per month to set this whole thing up. And like I said, you set it up once and you just kind of troubleshoot it from there. You see how it goes. And it will allow you to pretty much send many invitation requests and ultimately get these appointments for your offer. So how does this actually look like in theory? So keep in mind, guys, paying for a VA is much more expensive than this, right? A good VA from the Philippines or wherever you're hiring from off of Upwork is going to cost you, like, for a decent one, $500 to $600 per month. So here it's all automated for you. So how does this actually look like, right? So using this system, you are going to be able to send around 40 to 60 connection request messages per day, right? 40 to 60 connection requests. And then you're going to send up to 20 to 30 offer messages, right? And then 20 to 40 follow-up one. And then if you want, you can have 20 to 40 follow-up two, right? So this is how it's going to look. So pretty much this system, once you set it up once, right, you're going to be able to send 40 to 60 new connection requests, right, to cold prospects that don't know about your offer. followed by 20 to 40 of your offer messages, right? And then your follow-ups, right? So how does this actually look like? Let me tell you. So this is the overall strategy right here, but let me show you guys like a sample script that I would use right here. I obviously own a marketing agency. I sell marketing services. My niche is real estate. Okay, so here's a simple script that I would use, right? So hi, first name, great to connect. I was just checking out your profile and I found it interesting, so I thought I'd reach out. I have a quick question for you. Do you deal with pre-construction condos in the GTA, right? Just kind of, so whatever is bolded in here, you guys change for your niche, right? So if you're asking them, hey, do you do kitchen renovations? Do you do reverse mortgages? Doesn't matter. You change this, make the script. Don't use the exact script, but make it for your niche, right? So here's my offer niche. Hey, great to connect. Like I said, I was checking out your profile and I found it interesting, so I thought I'd reach out. I just wanted to introduce myself, first name. I'm David, and I actually specialize in working with a handful of pre-con realtors, and I get them 4 to 6 new worksheets submitted per month, usually closing around 1 to 3 condos per month without you having to call uninterested price shopping leads all day. So you guys see what I did there? I have my offer, what I can bring them, right? With a risk reversal, without you having to do this. It was a very simple 5-step sales process. Change this up, guys. Don't oversaturate it, right? 5-step sales process to get you qualified sales appointments with investors who are looking to purchase new pre-constructions, all within the first few days of launch. First, we help you get your lead generation on point. Then we flood your calendar with sales appointments. Very simple. I have tons of success stories and references for you. Would this be of any interest or value to you? How about we schedule a quick phone call to go over the strategy in detail and see if there's a fit? What's your availability like next week? Go ahead and schedule a call with me here, right? My link. If not, I'm glad we connected and I look forward to following your success here on LinkedIn, David, right? This is my offer message. I'm sending, with my system, I'm sending around 20 to 40 of these a day. So literally, real estate agents, they're getting hit 30 agents a day without me having to do anything. I set the system up once and that's it. It's done, right? Follow-up message. I want to show you our first name. I want to show you our simple 5-step sales process to get you appointments with qualified investors within the first few days of launch, as I mentioned. I will help you fine-tune your sales process and lead generation. Then I will flood your calendar with buyer-ready investors. Very simple. I have tons of references and success stories to show you. Would any of this be value to any of your business right now? How about we schedule a quick phone call to go over the strategy in detail and see if there's a fit? What's your availability like next week? I know you'll love my strategy. Please go ahead and schedule a call with me here. Link, David. Right? You guys see, it's simple. It's simple. You just need to have a good script and you need to have proper follow-up and you need to have a system for this stuff. So you guys see that it is very simple, okay? It is very simple to generate these types of results, right? To book 5 to 25 new appointments with this system, right? It's not that hard, right? If I'm sending 40 to 60 connection requests, I'm doing 20 to 40 offers, right? I just need literally an appointment every other day, or maybe, yeah, literally an appointment every other day. For every 100 messages, I want to get 1 appointment. Literally, so every 2 days, I'm gonna get 1 appointment. You guys see that it's not hard. The system does work. You just need to have a good script. You need to have a good offer to what you're selling these people. So you guys can use the script that I showed you. Don't use it word for word, right? Adjust it for your niche. Make it unique to you, right? If you use my script, right, you're gonna get the results that I'm getting. But if you make it unique to you, you make my script better, you might get even better results than me. Who knows, right? But this is pretty much the system that you want to be using, right? In terms of your lead list, once you have the sales navigator, right, you can just go over to here and just make different searches for people, right? So let's say I'm looking for, I don't know, let's say, dentist. Okay, so on the sales navigator, I can literally find all these dentists right here. So I can see how long they've been. I can, you know, look where they are, right? Where are my filters? So in geography, let's say I'm looking for a dentist in, I don't know, Chicago, right? I go dentists in Chicago, right? And then I can save all these people to my list. You guys see I have 2.5K results, right? These are literally all leads that I can sell, you know, my offer to. Let's say I'm doing marketing services for dentists, right? I just get a big lead list of people like this, and I plug them into my LinkedIn automation, right? And every single day, I'm gonna book appointments. So you guys see, it's not hard, right? This is one of the most easiest, simplest lead generation strategies that you can do in any business that you're in to generate yourself appointments for your offer, right? $250 per month it's gonna cost you. This is Canadian, by the way. So if you're in the US, it's even less for you, right? One of the cheapest strategies that you can set up. It works like a charm, guys. Please try it. Let me know what you guys think, okay? I hope you guys got some value from this video. I'm gonna be making more videos on these outreach methods. You know, maybe if you guys want, I can do how to book appointments through DMs. DMs are very effective as well. But like I said, I hope you guys got some value from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Use this, okay? Use this for your own good. And peace out, guys. Be great.